Welcome to Claw AI Army Dashboard, and this is your onboarding wizard. Just choose your steps so our Claw Agents employees are ready to empower you and your workflows. Here are just a bunch of options you need to select that build your customer profile and help us understand you better. Choose who you are and click Continue. Let's generate something for our social media channel. Click on Continue. Now give your workspace a name. Click on Create Workspace. The next step is to add a topic here and run the pipeline. The pipeline is running, and within few seconds, you're going to get the output on your typed topic. The Clawbots has done its done during the onboarding itself, and the quality speaks of itself. Similarly, you can look out for other tabs to see the entire contents. Look at it, the stunning output it generated. Now after this, click Continue. You're done with the onboarding, and now just click on Enter the Workspace to go to the Claw AI Army dashboard. Here you're on the dashboard, a very simple and sorted dashboard to get you started with the Claw AI Army. Now the first step is to connect your Google Drive to Claw AI Army so that all your assets generated in the tool are fully saved and backed up on your Google Drive. It's fully safe to connect your drive over here. Just you need to click Storage. Click on Connect Google Drive. Log in with your Google account. Click on Continue. On this page, you need to check the box to give access to Claw AI Army, and then click on the Continue button. Here it's connected. You have successfully connected your Google Drive to Claw AI Army. Now to confirm the connection, just go to your Google Drive and then click on My Drive. Now click Claw AI Army. As soon as you connect the drive, the folder automatically gets created. Now all your AI-generated assets will be saved in this folder in your drive. The connection part is done. Now let's get started now with Claw AI Army. Just click Claw Agents. To connect any or all of these channels, we have prepared a detailed and step-by-step guide. Just click how it works on your right. Now to integrate the bot on WhatsApp, just initiate the bot by clicking Open the bot on WhatsApp. Now one big misconception you will feel here is that you need to use WhatsApp web or app here to configure. No, for the sake of the demo, we can show our mobile phone screen, so this one-time step is shown here on WhatsApp web. Once it's set up and linked, it will work anywhere on your WhatsApp app, smartphone, or from web WhatsApp. Just click Continue to WhatsApp web. While the WhatsApp web is opening up, go back to the Claw Agents page and link our Claw bot to your WhatsApp. Click on Link My Account. Now click on Copy to copy the command. After copying the command, go to the WhatsApp web and paste the command. As you can see here, the Claw bot detected the token and identified you as its user with email and credits balance. You can always use /help to look out for commands you can give to your Claw bot. Now let's start prompting our bot to generate assets. Enter a prompt to generate any asset you want. Like in this, we generated a matte black steel water bottle on wet riverstone, early morning light, cold mist rising. Once you send the prompt to the bot will take your approval to generate, and then you just need to click Yes for the approval. Here it is, the exact matte black bottle we requested. Now let's try to generate some social media creatives. Here we generated 4 social media images on the theme of a slow morning ritual, all 4 different images in one prompt. All of the 4 images got generated within few seconds. Image 1, coffee poured into a ceramic cup on a linen cloth. Image 2, an open notebook and pen beside a steaming mug. Image 3, bare feet on a wooden floor by a sunlit window. Image 4, a single plant leaf catching the morning light. Now let's try another channel, Telegram, and generate few assets over there. You just need to go back to the Claw Agents page, then go to how it works. Page again, scroll down a bit and click Open the bot on Telegram. Now just follow the on-screen instructions and click Open in Web. Now go to the Claw Agents page and click on Link My Account. Copy the code and paste it in the Claw AI Army bot in Telegram, like the way we did on WhatsApp. Here, let's try to generate a video. A 5-second vertical video slow push in on coffee being poured into a glass cup, steam catching the light, dark cafe background, and then click on Yes for approval. We got the 5 seconds video as requested in the prompt. We have another great feature in our Claw AI Army app. Perfect. We got our full furnished and professional landing page as requested using a single prompt. Here, the perfect client reporting landing page is ready with all content, assets, CTA buttons, sections, pricing, etc. Okay, now another exciting feature in our Claw AI Army app. Let's try to generate a voiceover on WhatsApp. A voiceover in a confident female voice saying, "Your competitors are still writing this by hand. You just sent one message." Voiceover generated, just click the play button to hear it. Now summing up the video in the final few seconds, as we have generate 4 types of assets: image, video, landing page, voiceover. Let's see how they have all synced to our Google Drive. Go to Google Drive, My Drive, click Claw AI Army. In the folder, you'll find all the media types we worked on and generated assets for. Go to Images. Inside the folder, you'll see the month folder for the generated assets. Click 2026-08. Here you see all the images we generated on the channels synced properly in our drive, and similarly, all the other assets in the respective folders. Now, for the sake of the demo and keeping in mind the time constraints, we can't show you all the other exciting feature of our tool here, like generate a full campaign with one prompt, the arsenal, the skills vault, playbooks, visuals, and a lot more. You can check our tutorial section inside the app for more demos and guides. Sorry for my speedy demo that's due to time constraints. Browse our tutorials and feel free to contact our support team for any help you need with the tool.
If you buy through my link, I'll give you a free bonus package valued at $747. The bonus is a course, not a PDF, designed to help you earn up to $10,000 per month. To claim it, please take a screenshot of your purchase and send it to me on Facebook. I'll send your free bonus right away.